to my channel. If your PC is running slow, then please follow those 4 steps to improve the PC performance in Windows 10 or 11. First, right click on the start, run, type prefetch, okay, and clean all these temporary files. Second, right click the start, run, then type temp, okay, and whatever files are here, just select all with Control A and delete. Third step, right click on the start, run, type percentage sign, temp and percentage sign, okay, and delete these all files as well. Last step and very important one, right click on the start, run, type miss config, okay. Then from here, this page, when it's come up, go to the boot option. From boot, go to the advanced option. Then from advanced option, come up here where it says number of processor. Click here to select it. Then from the drop down, select 4. Then say OK, apply. Okay, then it will ask you to restart your PC. Please restart your PC and you'll be all good to go.